All right, when you order a vase, Scott here will run out to our vase inventory, pull the particular vases from our inventory. He then brings it into the drilling stations, which you just saw, and he will drill out for the standpipe assembly and also the lighting cord to pass through the vase if you choose to have a light. What we're watching now is Scott is going to install the bulkhead into the bottom of the base. And once that bulkhead is installed, Scott will then proceed with installing the standpipe assembly and also the base light assembly. Every one of our bulkheads that you just watched being installed is a 1-inch bulkhead with a slick fitting. So what Scott's doing here is he's going to install what we call our standpipe support. And if you take a look in there, you can see how the standpipe assembly is touching all edges of the base in order to support that standpipe. And the reason that we do this, and it's generally on our 36-inch or taller vases. Anything shorter or narrower is not going to require the standpipe support. So the reason that we do that on these taller vases is that this standpipe, with the pressure of the water, can actually start to wiggle back and forth, cause water deflection everywhere, which will then splash out of your basin zone. And so we provide these standpipe assemblies and supports just to ensure proper flow, proper function of the fountain base. So what Scott's doing here is installing the base light onto the standpipe assembly that'll eventually make its way inside the base. So as you can see here, here's the upper portion of the standpipe assembly with the Pro's LED light installed onto that. So on the bottom side of the base here, you can see where the cord is passing through. We have the bulkhead that we installed just previously, and now we have the light with the rubber stopper installed. Once the silicone all sets in, this will all be sealed up on the bottom side to ensure proper operation of the base fountain once installed. Roughing the order to ship out, but as you can see here, we've got our pumps, we've got our lighting splitter, our lighting transformer, we have our exterior light, our pound and pound relight kit that we're sending out with this order as well. We have our 30 psi regulator and autofill valve. So an autofill valve is going to be installed on this kit as well. And then we have our water treatment that we're going to ship out. Here in the basin, we've prepped this with our standpipe supports. And then we've also got our polished pebbles that we're going to ship out with this kit as well. So all these items will then be placed inside of this basin here. Our splat apron that will be installed around the basin, recruiting any water back to the basin, and our high quality heavy duty aluminum grating that we provided with this kit as well. And now that we have the vases on the basin, we take some of our home wrapping and we will place it in between the bases or them from rubbing against each other. So here is that pallet all wrapped, strapped, ready to go. We do tag these with the handle with care, high claim value for those freight companies. And also right on this blue tape, we do ask that you inspect the shipment when it arrives, make sure that it's not cracked, rubbed, and scratched. If so, please let us know right away. Then there you go. It's all wrapped, strapped, there you go. This is how it will show up at your property.